In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to make massive sales on Facebook without running hacks. So I understand the challenges that we small entrepreneurs do encounter when it comes to making sales online through Facebook, Instagram ads, and the likes. So when I first tried to run Facebook ad for my business, I was not able to make sales at all. Not to talk of me realizing the money that I used to run ads, just because the majority of the customer that I got from the ad, they were like, the place is too far, they can't bear the delivery fee, blah blah blah. And with that, I was not able to make sales, not to talk of me realizing the money that I used to run ads. So after the whole thing, I have to start and I said, since running Facebook ads is not working for me, which other way can I use to target people that are very close to me, at least that are a little bit far, that will be able to afford little delivery fee. So that was when I discovered this thing that I want to share with you. And ever since then, it has been great to me because it has been really contributing to the growth of my business. If you are interested in this video, please just show love by subscribing to this channel. Ebeni mo baby ko. Ejo, subscribe say ori channel yìí. Please subscribe to this channel. So let's dive into the major topic. So alright guys, we have to connect your mobile network. So after that, we have to click on your Facebook page. So after you've clicked on your Facebook page, we have to click on the marketplace. So under the marketplace, you are here to sell. Then click on sell. Then we bring you three options: items, vehicle, properties for rent or sales. Then click on items. So after you click on the item, it will have to bring you here. Then we have to add the picture of the item that you want to sell. So after you've uploaded the picture of the item that you want to sell, the next thing is to move down to the title, where you are going to write the name of the item that you are intending to sell. Then you move down to the price, then put a reasonable price in it, at least price that is going to attract people. So after that, we have to move down into the category. So it depends on the item that you want to sell there. It contains different categories, and here I'm going to be putting household. So after that, we have to move down to the you have to move down to the condition, whether the item is new or the item is a used one or something. But the item I want to sell is a new one, so I have to insert new item. So after you've done with that, we have to move down into the description, whereby you will let people know how good the product that you want to sell, how good it is. Then we have to put your phone number, we have to put your location and the likes. So the next thing is location, whereby we have to edit it to where the people that you are trying to target are staying. Me, I'm trying to target Hakuba, Ondo State, and you can see the way I browse it. So I have to edit my location to where people that I'm targeting are living. So you just have to edit your location here. So I'm done with the location. You know, it was Lagos before. It has changed to Akungba, Akoko, Ondo State. So after you're done with that we see publish at the top. Then click on it, and after that your post is going to be published. So after publishing, you can click on it to see how your post look like, and this is it. This is how it look like. So it is very effective and it's always bring me more customer. So and here is the result that I've been getting since I've been using it. Like, it has been really contributing to the growth of my business, you can see. So if you can give it a try, I believe it's going to work for you as well. So the second way that I use is by joining the Facebook group of the states that are very close to my home state. For example, now I'm staying in Ondo State, so I have to look for the Facebook market group for people in Ondo State. Like Akure, you know, Akure is also the Ondo State. Like Ekiti State, Ekiti State is very close to Ondo State, so I have to look for the Facebook group of the state that are very close to where I'm staying. So then I have to join it. So, and after joining their market group, I started posting my groups there, and people that are interested in what I post, they will comment, they will like, and if it is something that they want to buy, some people will comment directly that they want this thing, they want to buy this thing from me, and I will let them know that this is where I'm staying. If you can afford the delivery fee, no problem. And from there, people are buying from me. So you can successfully make sales on Facebook without running Facebook ads or something, especially if you are a small business owner. Now, I'm not saying running Facebook ads is not good, but if you are a small business owner, it is a little bit difficult for you to make sales online, right? So you have to look for another way, another option that you can at least use to make sales online. So this is what I've been using as a small business owner, and it has been working for me, and I believe if you give it a try, it is going to work for you as well. So if you have been getting value so far from this video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, and also do well to subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching.